Welcome to Check It or Wreck It.
Hi, world.
Hi.
Cameo this time.
We have a cameo. Well, he was here for Transformers 2.
I was. And Tropic Thunder.
And Tropic.
Calm down.
Coco.
Wow.
Sorry. We are reviewing the film Saw.
Space.
Six. Oh my god, I can't do it.
That would make
6.
18 if they counted all our things.
Saw.
I'm sure it's coming
We're reviewing the film
Vicky
Saw
Dixie 2.
18. It's 2030.
Put up a
Okay.
2. Saw 6.
Okay, you guys take it away.
Personally, this was my favorite. I know you love number 2.
I love the second.
I like this one the best.
It was good.
I like that
1,
this had
3,
plot.
4, and 5 were not necessary.
No.
But
1 was good.
one was okay.
3, 4, and 5 were definitely not good.
So if you're thinking, well, 3, 4, and 5 are really bad, maybe I should skip this one, I would say nope, because this is the best one.
I would say you have to watch 3, 4, and 5 to kind of
To
understand
appreciate
the plot.
6.
Though. Yeah.
I'll have to say, as a person who's only seen 1 and 5, I know you can make fun of me later on the comment box. I like that this one had plot and I followed it well. I mean, better as opposed to 5, which didn't really have any plot. I thought they just killed off hot people,
No
like
plot.
Megan Good. I don't know why I remember that, but I do. And I like
Because she
that
was the only person in that movie.
that was famous.
Yeah.
She's in music, people.
I don't
She's
like-
got to be a little famous.
I don't like gory movies either, but this one I liked. They had some,
There's
just
some
for
good
those who
plot.
don't see it, the one with, what's that thing called?
Merry-go-round.
The one with the merry-go-round is the best part. Just wait for it, because it's awesome.
It's pretty G.
So, I'm going to check it.
I'll check it.
It's good
'cause
for,
it's not.
it's good for a Halloween
I
movie.
followed it, so I'm gonna check it. And I'm gonna check it because I want to see how much more they can make. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
No,
they're the number
stop.
1.
No, don't make any more. End on a good note.
This is like Harry Potter status.
End on a good note.
They're the #1 horror franchise right now.
End on a good note.
Ending now on a good note.